2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 43. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at 93, 94 basically. Wow, it's so quiet. All right, guys, this is with its Sport Plus Plus mode. The AMG valves open. Same. Yeah, it's still the same. Again. Yeah, still 91. Okay, 2019 Mercedes GLE AMG bi-turbo. See it over there? Very beautiful car, very sexy. As you guys can see, what we got done on this beautiful beast. So we showed you before and let you hear it before. Factory converter still up there somewhere, shoved away. Then we did a mid-resonator delete there. Then kept the factory X pipe and then did a rear muffler delete. It's usually all the way across. So we deleted the muffler there and there. And we'll show you guys the muffler, and then the tips are built into the bumper. So we let that alone right there. There's the two resonators that were in the middle. As you guys can see, they're straight through the side. There's that gigantic muffler that we cut off right there. It's huge. There it is. So it was a dual in, dual out. It was a true dual system in there. So we took all that out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification. Go. What do you think, man? Yes! Yes, sir! Now you can hear the turbo. Wow. That's perfect. Put it in the gas. Let's do Sport Plus Plus. All right, this is Sport Plus Plus. Let's see if it changes the sound any. Here's sound decibels. Still the same. Change the sound. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, that sounds so good. All right, guys. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Turbo, fully straight piped. GLE 43 AMG. And I like it. Let's go. Whoa! Oh my God, you can hear it.